Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ. This one is red. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 with 301 horsepower and 272 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black leather interior. Sunroof. All-wheel drive Equinox LTZ badging, trailer hitch. Opening up the tailgate. A clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, power windows, Pioneer sound system, power seats, steering wheel controls. Starting it up. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Hard keys for the radio. Climate controls. Automatic transmission. This Chevy has 33,657 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Equinox LTZ, visit us at feldmannimports.com.